Hello friends, I am Ankit. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can make your WAMP server run after some difficulties. Means we will see some troubleshooting techniques for WAMP installation.
So once you have installed the WAMP server, how to check that you have successfully installed it? So first way is to check into the C drive. If your WAMP 64 folder or WAMP folder has been created into C drive, then there is a possibility that you have successfully installed your WAMP installation. But there are some other things which you have to verify. So first of all, you have to start the WAMP server. After you start the WAMP server, you can see a WAMP server icon on bottom right of your corner. It will be red first, then it will turn orange, and finally, when all the services are running, it will turn green. So once your WAMP server icon is green, you can be sure that your WAMP server services are successfully running. To again cross check it, you can open the browser. Once you open the browser, type into address bar http then colon then double slash, and then you have to type localhost, then press enter, and you should see the WAMP server home page. If you see this page, then it is confirmed that your WAMP server has been installed successfully and your Apache server application is running. Now we see some troubleshooting techniques. Suppose on writing HTTP localhost, you do not see a WAMP server home page. So there is a possibility that another server application is running on the port on which you have installed Apache server application. By default, all the server applications run on port number 80. But if you already have any other server application on port number 80, then Apache server application will not be able to run from the same port. So in this case, you have to change the port number. So how can we do that? For that, you have to click on the WAMP server icon on bottom right corner. You will see Apache tab over here, and after hovering on it, you should see one file named httpd. This is a configuration file for Apache server application. So open this file. It is a text file. So the file has been opened, and now I will find the word listen. So listen suggests where on which port number the Apache server application listens to the URL request. So by default, we can see that port number 80 has been mentioned over here. So you have to change this port number to 8080, or you can set it to 8081 or 8082 or whatever port number you want to. So I am changing it from port number 80 to 8080, saving this file and closing it. And after doing this, I have to restart all the services. So all the services are being restarted. So as you know that WAMP server icon initially becomes red, then orange, and finally green. So now my Apache server application will run from port number 8080. But how can I mention it into the address bar? So for that I have to write colon after localhost and write down 8080, and now my WAMP server is running on port number 8080. Now suppose if I try to run it from port number 80, because when you don't mention any port number, the default port number will be considered 80. So when I try to run it from port number 80, it won't show any output, it won't show any WAMP server homepage, because I have shifted it from port number 80 to port number 8080. So suppose I again change the port number to port number 80 again, and again restart all the services. So now WAMP server home page is visible, because now server application is running on port number 80. So this is a basic problem which people face while initially running the WAMP server. So I showed you how to solve this problem and how you can shift Apache server web application from port number 80 to another port.
Hope you liked the video. Keep learning, keep growing, stay happy. Goodbye.